how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today we are going to do another unboxing. This is something that we can use for vlogging. We got a DJI mic mini. I believe this is their latest one. It wasn't available in the store, so I ordered it online. That's the reason why we receive it in the box. So this one, guys, is a wireless microphone. All right, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this one, guys, the one that I ordered, I believe it's a complete set. It has everything in it. So it comes with all the documents, guys, you know, all the instructions, how to use this. It's nicely packed. Cute handle here, guys, stitched in orange. So it also comes with this one, guys, which is the camera audio cable as well as USB-C charging cable. So let's open it. So this one is the USB charging cable, guys, and this one is the camera audio cable as well as a windscreen. And all right, I think this is where we put the USB charging cable to charge this. That's the back, that's the top. Right there says DJI. And oh, I believe this is the front. It says press to unlock. And then we'll press this to unlock. Neat. So this is the DJI mic mini, guys. It's only 10 grams. It's small, ultra weight, and discreet. We can either clip it on our shirts or use this magnet right here. Right, like put this on our shirt and then connect that magnet at the back to hold it. Yeah, it's actually pretty small. And there's two. This one in the middle, guys, is the receiver. And it also comes, guys, with this one, which is the mobile iPhone adapter. It's so tiny. I think we plug it into the phone and then we can use it. So as mentioned, guys, this DJI mic mini is only 10 grams. It's small, ultra light, discreet. It comes with two colors. So this one is black and there is also white, but I decided to get the black one because, you know, I can hide it better. So the reason why I bought this one, guys, because it says high quality audio with stable transmission, 48 hours operation with case. So yeah, it also has a 2-level active noise canceling and automatic limiting, prevent audio clipping. So yeah, I can't wait to use this one, guys. And that's it for our unboxing. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.